Hello everyone and welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. In our last video, we talked about Ori, your personal destiny. Today, we are going to explore another powerful concept, ashare. Think of it as the life force that makes the universe work. It is in everything in you, in the trees, in the words you speak. Understanding ashare is key to living a powerful and purposeful life. We will learn what ashare is, where to find it, and how to use it to create a better life. So, what exactly is ashare? The simplest way to explain it is that ashare is the divine power that exists in all things. It is a sacred energy that gives life. The Yoruba people believe that everything in the universe has ashare. This includes people, plants, rocks, and even words we speak. It is the energy that allows things to happen. Imagine the universe as a giant electric grid. Ashare is the electricity flowing through all the wires. It is a power that makes everything light up and work. Without ashare, nothing will exist. It is a force that allows a seed to grow into a tree. It is the power that makes your words come true. It is the very essence of creation. You might be wondering where this ashare comes from. It is everywhere. Olodumare, the creator, Olodumare, is the ultimate source of all ashare. Olodumare gave a portion of this energy to all living things. Then we talk about the Orisha. These are powerful forces of nature. Each Orisha embodies a different type of ashare. For example, Shango has the ashare of thunder and justice. Oshun has the ashare of sweet water and love. Then let's talk about nature. The natural world is full of ashare. The ocean, the rivers, the forests are sacred places. They contain immense spiritual power. Then you, yes, you, every human being has ashare within them. Your thoughts, your words, and your actions are all filled with this divine power. Now, for the most important part, how do you use ashare in your daily life? It is all about intention and action. Use your words wisely. In Yoruba belief, words are very powerful. They are believed to carry ashare. This means what you say can create your reality. When you say, I am healthy, I am successful, or I am happy, you are putting powerful ashare into the universe. Speak good things over your life. Avoid negative talk about yourself and others. Then practice rituals. Simple rituals are a way to direct ashare. It can be as simple as pouring a glass of gin for your ancestors on the floor. These actions are not just symbolic, they are a way to channel your intention and activate your ashare. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature. Feel the energy of the earth and the trees. This helps you tap into a powerful source of ashare. It recharges your own energy and helps you feel more grounded. Live with good character. Just like with Ori, living with Iwapele, which we call good character is essential. When you are kind, honest, and respectful, you build a clear and strong channel for ashare. Bad actions can block this flow and create a negativity in your life. Ashare is not just a belief, it's a tool for life. It reminds us that we are all connected to the divine. It reminds us that our words and actions have power. You can shape your own reality. By understanding ashare and using it well, you are not just getting a better life, you are living a life of purpose, power, and connection. So, go out and speak life into your existence. Use your ashare wisely. Please like this video, subscribe to Get Rebel Life TV, and share it with a friend. Until next time, remember to use your ashare to create good for yourself. Thank you and bye for now.